Hi, I'm Teacher Marie, and I'll give you a walkthrough on our Singapore Math course. Let's begin. This is the Singapore Math modules overview. So we have here, when you subscribe with us, the first module that you will receive is Module 1 on computation. So these are the topics under the module. We have here Introduction to Number Bonds. We have number bonds addition using concrete materials. We have here the pictorial approach, the addition abstract standard numerical form approach. This is what we call the CPA, or under the well-known method for Singapore Math, which is starting with concrete, pictorial, and then abstract. So we have it here. And we also have the following. We have number bond subtraction using concrete materials. And we also have number bond subtraction across zeros. And we have patterns. So these are the topics under Module 1 computation. And then later, I'll be showing you also, once you are inside the Singapore Math course, how it would look like once you open it. And I'll just go share with you the other modules that you'll be expecting to learn inside this course. We have Module 2 on problem solving and addition and subtraction using bar modeling. And this is what's inside. We have the part whole bar model. And then we have mastery worksheets and math journal for each. We have also the type of adding on, taking away. And then comparing two sets, we have two parts, part 1 and part 2. And then Module 3 will be on multiplication. And these are the categories or the subcategories inside the topic multiplication. Then Module 4 will be on division. Module 5 will be on problem solving using multiplication and division, this time still using the bar modeling. And then we have here problem solving two-step word problem for Module 6. For Module 7 will be focused on fractions and the use of also bar modeling. We have also for Module 8, problem solving extra challenge, and Module 9, more problem solving. If you notice, a lot of the modules are on problem solving because the entire Singapore Math curriculum is on problem solving, and I've just added some important lessons that you will be able to learn and have fun at the same time. So we have here geometry for Module 10, and then for 11 and 12 will be problem solving heuristic. So let's go inside the course. So once you subscribe, this is how the course would look like. So let's enter our course here. So once you click it, this is where you'll be directed. So we have here 35 lessons that you need to complete for Module 1. And then it will start with welcome remarks. So if you click this one, there will be a video, and this video will be welcoming you to this Singapore Math course. It looks like this once you click it. Hi, welcome to our Singapore Math course. There you go. And of course, there's an introduction on short mastery worksheets. There's also a video on this one. When we go back to our course. So here we also have getting to know you part. This is one of the highlights of this course because this one here is very important for me to find out also all about you, right? So this is the getting to know you part. There's an activity here where you can download. And then of course, I made a Singapore Math course guide. For each module, there are 12 modules in total. There will be a course guide for you to follow. There's like a sample plan. So if we look at this one, if you click it, there we go. This will be the video that you can watch. And there is this guide here that you can download. This is like a sample plan so you can maximize your learnings. But it's still up to you if you want also to come up with your own. And then after that, we have the start of our module for computation. So here are the different topics you'll be learning here in this Module 1. And let's go to one of the videos here, which is on number bonds addition using concrete materials. So once you click it, you'll be directed here in this lesson. So you'll be watching this video, and there is a file here that you can download and you can use with this video while you're learning it. This is the description of the video. And as soon as you finish it, just click this one and mark it as complete. There is a comment section on this video. For each topic, there will be comment section that if you want to leave me a message, then you can do so here. We also have here mastery worksheet. So if you click on this one, it will look like this. You'll be directed here. So this one is activity. Here are the instructions. And this is the module that you need to download and print. You can print it or you can just answer it here online. So click here to start your assignment. So once you click it, you'll be directed here. So this is how it would look like. Just fill your answer here, upload it, and then submit. Now I'll show you another highlight. Aside from each lesson or topics under Math Module 1 Computation, we also have here our Math Journal. In this Math Journal, this is the instruction and this is the file that you need to download so you can write your reflection. So this is one of the important parts or that's included here in our Singapore Math course, so that I'll be able to find out your insight and be able also to find out how well you are doing and whatever challenges you are encountering. So I'll be able to read all about it, and you can also leave me a message here. So if you notice here, we have the number Bunsen edition, we have the mastery worksheet, then the Math Journal. Same as true with our next topic under still Module 1 Computation. We have the video lessons on subtraction, and there's again the mastery worksheets and then Math Journal. And of course, we have here also another topic, which is subtraction across zeros. And the last topic that we have here, or the last lesson under Module 1 Computation, will be on pattern. And before you will end your Module 1 Computation, you'll have here a short assessment. So this one here, if you click it, there's a video on what is short assessment and why do we have it here, or why do we have it in our course. So I'll be explaining it here. I'll give a short introduction. There we go. So we'll have your Module 1 Computation short assessment. So this one, when you click it, so it says here, this lesson is locked. So to gain access, so here, there are some lessons here that are locked so that you'll be able to maximize fully your learnings and you won't just jump to each section. So you need to finish first a particular part. And then once you've answered the pattern assessment, the final short assessment on the Module 1 Computation will also be unlocked. So this is how it would look like once you enter our Singapore Math course. There you go. So that walkthrough, I hope it will be a nice way for you to have a peek or see what you can expect once you start with our Singapore Math course. Thank you and God bless.